just said don't hit the camera. All right, today we're going to bring the soccer rebound board. And what is this for? Now, soccer players have a habit of kicking the ball way over too high. Now, this is to practice and kicking it lower down, all right? So this is pretty much, instead of kicking it against the wall, you kick it against the plastic here. Now, this is adjustable. It's easy to fold down and take it to go. So not only for grass, but for concrete and other places too. So we're going to show you how it works. So this thing comes with stakes, if you guys can see that. We're going to set the other one up so it won't move. I'm going to put it right behind it. So all right, whose is this for? This is for those players that keep hitting the ball way over where they're not supposed to. This is to practice to pass the ball to each other. This is to reflect the ball back and just continuously to block. Now, one of the great things about this is that a lot of players are great in hitting the ball super hard, but they can't control the ball like normal passes. This is perfect to practice. And instead of hitting the wall constantly and damaging your wall, just hit a barrier like this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.